Hey, fellow travelers! Are you ready to embark on your next adventure without compromising your health? In this video, we're diving into the top 12 tips for staying healthy while traveling. Whether you're a globetrotter or a weekend wanderer, these tips will keep you feeling your best on the road. From maintaining a balanced diet to staying active and managing stress, we've got you covered. Traveling is an incredible way to explore new places and experience different cultures. It broadens our horizons and creates lasting memories. However, being away from your usual routine can sometimes challenge your health habits. It's easy to let things slide when you're in unfamiliar surroundings. Maintaining your well-being on the road is crucial. Staying healthy ensures you can fully enjoy your trip without being sidelined by illness or fatigue. With a little planning and mindful choices, you can navigate your travels while keeping your health a top priority. Let's dive into some practical strategies. Before you even pack your bags, do some health-related research on your destination. Understand any potential health risks specific to the region you're visiting. Check if any vaccinations are recommended or required for entry. Consult with your doctor or a travel clinic well in advance of your departure date. Research local health conditions, common illnesses, and the quality of healthcare facilities. Knowing this information can help you prepare and make informed decisions. Being proactive about potential health challenges is the first step. It allows you to take necessary precautions and travel with greater peace of mind. Staying adequately hydrated is fundamental, especially when traveling. Changes in climate, activity levels, and even air travel can lead to dehydration. Carry a reusable water bottle and refill it whenever possible. Be mindful of the local water safety. Use bottled or purified water if necessary. Avoid excessive consumption of sugary drinks or alcohol, as these can contribute to dehydration. Focus on plain water as your primary source of hydration. Proper hydration supports digestion, maintains energy levels, and helps your body function optimally. Make drinking water a consistent habit throughout your trip. Exploring local cuisine is a highlight of travel, but it's important to make safe food choices. Be cautious with street food unless you see it being freshly prepared and served hot. Choose restaurants that appear clean and have good reviews. Opt for cooked foods over raw options, especially in areas where sanitation might be questionable. Wash fruits and vegetables thoroughly if you are preparing them yourself. Avoid salads or peeled fruits from unknown sources if you are concerned about water quality. Packing some healthy snacks like nuts, seeds, or fruit bars can be helpful. This prevents you from making impulsive, unhealthy choices when hunger strikes between meals. Travel often disrupts sleep patterns due to time zone changes and unfamiliar beds. Prioritizing sleep is vital for maintaining energy and immune function. Try to adjust your sleep schedule gradually before you leave for a trip with a significant time difference. Upon arrival, expose yourself to natural light during the day to help reset your body clock. Create a relaxing bedtime routine even when traveling. Ensure your sleeping environment is dark, quiet, and cool if possible. Aim for 7 to 9 hours of sleep per night. Adequate rest helps your body recover and stay resilient against potential illnesses. Maintaining some level of physical activity is beneficial for both physical and mental health while traveling. Don't let your fitness routine completely disappear. Incorporate movement into your sightseeing. Walk whenever possible instead of relying solely on transportation. Explore cities on foot. Use hotel gyms if they are available. Even a short workout can help you feel refreshed and energized. Consider activities like swimming, hiking, or cycling if they are options at your destination. Staying active helps manage stress and maintain your energy levels. Travel can sometimes be stressful due to logistics, delays, or navigating new environments. Finding ways to manage stress is important for overall well-being. Practice mindfulness techniques like deep breathing or meditation. Take short breaks throughout the day to relax and recharge. Set realistic expectations for your trip. It's okay if everything doesn't go perfectly according to plan. Be flexible and adaptable. Engage in activities you enjoy, whether it's reading, listening to music, or simply observing your surroundings. Prioritize moments of calm amidst the excitement. Your skin is your body's first line of defense, and it needs protection, especially when traveling to different climates. Sun exposure can be intense in many popular destinations. Apply broad-spectrum sunscreen with a high SPF regularly, even on cloudy days. Reapply after swimming or sweating. Wear protective clothing, a hat, and sunglasses to shield yourself from the sun's rays. Seek shade during the hottest parts of the day. In areas with insects, use appropriate insect repellent to protect against bites that could transmit diseases. Choose repellents based on the risks in your specific location. Frequent hand washing is one of the most effective ways to prevent the spread of germs while traveling. You come into contact with many surfaces in airports, hotels, and public places. Wash your hands thoroughly with soap and water for at least 20 seconds, especially before eating and after using the restroom. When soap and water are not available, use an alcohol-based hand sanitizer with at least 60% alcohol. Carry a small bottle with you at all times. Avoid touching your face, particularly your eyes, nose, and mouth, as this is how germs often enter the body. Be mindful of what you touch. Having a small kit of essential health supplies can be a lifesaver on the road. It allows you to address minor issues quickly without searching for a pharmacy. Include any prescription medications you take regularly, ensuring you have enough for the entire trip plus a little extra. Keep them in their original packaging with your prescription information. Pack over-the-counter remedies for common travel ailments like pain relievers, antacids, motion sickness medication, and allergy relief. Include basic first aid supplies such as bandages, antiseptic wipes, and antibiotic ointment. A thermometer can also be useful for checking for fever. While enjoying local beverages is part of the travel experience, moderation is key. Excessive alcohol consumption can impair judgment, disrupt sleep, and contribute to dehydration. Be aware of your limits and alternate alcoholic drinks with water. Avoid drinking and driving, especially in unfamiliar places. Similarly, excessive caffeine intake can interfere with sleep and increase anxiety. Be mindful of how much coffee, tea, or energy drinks you consume. Maintaining balance with these substances helps you stay alert, hydrated, and in control throughout your trip. Enjoy them responsibly. Pay attention to how you are feeling throughout your travels. Your body often sends signals when something isn't right. Don't push yourself too hard if you feel unwell or overly tired. It's okay to take a rest day or adjust your itinerary. Recognize the signs of potential illness, such as fever, persistent cough, digestive issues, or unusual fatigue. Address these symptoms promptly. If symptoms persist or worsen, don't hesitate to seek medical attention. Knowing where the nearest healthcare facility is can be helpful in such situations. Maintaining connections with loved ones back home can support your mental health while traveling. Being in a new place can sometimes feel isolating. Schedule calls or video chats with family and friends. Share your experiences and hear about what's happening at home. Having a support system can provide comfort and reduce feelings of loneliness. It's a reminder that you are connected even when you are far away. Prioritizing your mental well-being is just as important as your physical health. Stay connected and nurture those relationships. Staying healthy while traveling is entirely achievable with conscious effort and preparation. By implementing these tips, you can significantly reduce your risk of getting sick or injured. Focus on prevention, make smart choices regarding food and drink, prioritize rest and activity, and be prepared for minor health issues. Travel should be an enjoyable and enriching experience. Taking care of your health ensures that you can make the most of every moment and return home feeling refreshed and well. So, as you plan your next adventure, remember these strategies. Travel safely, stay healthy, and enjoy the journey. Join us as we explore practical and easy-to-follow strategies to ensure your travels are as healthy as they are exciting. We'll cover essential topics like choosing nutritious meals, staying hydrated, and incorporating exercise into your travel routine. Plus, we'll share insights on how to manage jet lag and boost your immune system. With these tips, you'll be ready to conquer any destination while keeping your well-being in check. Thanks for watching the video, and don't forget to subscribe for more videos.